Okay. Now vocation means finding something to do in your life. Okay. Basically, like finding a job which you like very much is called as your vocation. Okay. Now, what is my vocation at the moment? My vocation is to teach you. Okay. My job is to teach you. Vocation matlab job. What is your vocation? To sit and learn from
Excuse
you.
me,
That
sir.
is your job, right? Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm having some problems. So can you? I want to leave, and can you put me in the
Yes,
class
yes, yes.
again?
Yes, yes. Yes, we'll wait for you
Thank you,
to leave
sir.
and
Bye.
join again. Okay. So now what is vocation? Vocation means finding a job that you love to do. Okay. Now what is my vocation? Now see, I like to teach. So this is my vocation. What is another thing? I like photography. I like editing. So that is also my vocation. Basically, what I like to do is my vocation. Have you understood the meaning of vocation? Vocation. Okay. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by a late. Now what is a gong? Okay. Gong see जब school में recess होता है तो the bell rings. Okay. You all have seen the bell or okay. Let me show you all a photo of a gong. Okay. बहुत प्यारा. See this thing. Okay. You all have seen this thing in any Chinese movies में देखा रहेगा. This is called as a gong. Okay. इसको ये चीज को ये गोल चीज को अगर मारेगा ना तो बहुत बड़ा आवाज है. Okay. This is called as a gong. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by a lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." Okay. Now this is a story. Okay. So this is a young boy who is walking to the school, and while walking to the school, the through which lane he passes ना, कौन से गली से होके जाता है, every day he sees a hawker. Now can someone tell me who is a hawker? What is a hawker? Any idea? बाजू में उसका फोटो भी है, हॉकर का फोटो भी है. उसको क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? क्या बोलते हैं हॉकर को? ये देखना जो बाजू में बैंगल्स बेचता है, चूड़ियां बेचता है, उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हो? क्या बोलते हो उनको? No one has any idea. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, so the people who sell stuff on the roadside ना, मतलब एक जो भाजी बेचते, जो ऐसे बैंगल्स बेचते, these people are called as hawkers. Okay, what are they called as? Hawkers. Every understand hawkers का मतलब समझा कौन रहते हैं? जो लोग ऐसा रास्ते के आगे बैठ के बैंगल्स बेचते या भाजी बेचते, फ्रूट्स बेचते, these are called as hawkers. तो एवरीडे जब जो पोएट है वो स्कूल जाता है ना, तो उसको जो गली से गुजर के आता है, वो ऐसा हॉकर को देखता है. हॉकर क्या बोलता है? बैंगल्स, क्रिस्टल बैंगल्स. देखना हम लोग जब घर में बैठे रहते हो, भंगार वाला आता है, कैसे चिल्लाता है, भंगार वाला ऐसा चिल्लाता, देखो ना ऐसा. तो वो चिल्ला के बोल रहा है ना कि वो भंगार वाला है. तो सेम ऐसा जो हॉकर रहता है वो बोलता है कि बैंगल्स लेने हैं, किसको बैंगल लेने का. बैंगल मतलब क्या? चूड़ी हम लोग जो पहनते हैं, हम लोग ना मतलब लड़के लोग पहनते हैं उसको. लड़के लोग भी पहनते हैं, लड़के लोग वो स्टील वाला पहनते हैं, वो कड़ा बोलते हैं शायद. हाँ. ओके. सो तो वो जो पोएट है रोज जब चलता था स्कूल जाने के लिए, तो ऐसा हॉकर को देखता था, वो क्या बोलता था? बैंगल्स, क्रिस्टल बैंगल्स. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ समझे सबको? क्लियर फॉर एवरीवन? ओके. देयर इज नथिंग टू हरी हिम ऑन, देयर इज नो रोड ही मस्ट टेक, नो प्लेस ही मस्ट गो टू, नो टाइम व्हेन ही मस्ट कम होम. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road, crying bangles, crystal bangles. When at 4 in the afternoon, I come back from school. तो जो पोएट है वो बोलता है कि क्या मस्त जिंदगी रहेगा ना ये हॉकर का. इसको पूरा दिन में ऐसे कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है, मतलब ये टाइम पे उसको इधर जाने के, ये टाइम पे उसको नहीं. पूरा दिन वो रास्ते पे घूम सकता है, पूरा दिन वो चिल्ला सकता है, ले लो बैंगल्स, ले लो बैंगल्स, ले लो. उसको जब चाहिए वो उसका कोई बॉस नहीं, उसको जब चाहिए वो घर पे जा सकता है, जब चाहिए वो बाहर घूम सकता है. ठीक है. तो पोएट बोलता है आई विश आई वर हॉकर, मतलब पोएट बोलता है काश मैं भी ऐसा हॉकर जैसे होता कि मैं पूरा पूरा दिन रास्ते पे घूम के चिल्लाता, चूड़िया ले लो ऐसा. ठीक है. तो हम लोग देख, हम लोग का भी कैसा है, तुम लोग को एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे लेक्चर आना पड़ता है. ठीक है. 1:30 को तुम लोग का लेक्चर है, उसके बाद तुम लोग का 2:30 को लेक्चर रहता है. तो तुम लोग को एक प्रॉपर टाइम फॉलो करना पड़ता है. तुम लोग का स्कूल का भी जो टाइम रहता है वो तुम लोग को फॉलो करना पड़ता है. पर ये हॉकर लोग को कुछ फॉलो करने का रहेगा टाइम नहीं. उनको जिधर चाहिए जो चाहिए, अभी अगर वो लोग एक रास्ते पे बैठा हो, जैसे उनको भगा दिया, तो लोग दूसरे रास्ते पे जाके बैठ के बेचना चालू करें. उनको कुछ टेंशन ही नहीं है. उनको ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ चलो 4 बजे 6 बजे अपना स्कूल खत्म हुआ, घर पे जाओ. नहीं, वो उसको 4 बजे जा सकता है घर पे, 7 बजे जा सकता है घर पे जाएगा, उसको जाने का नहीं, घर पे जाएगा भी नहीं. ठीक है, तो इट्स ऑल अप टू हिम। तो पोएट बोलते हैं काश मैं भी उसकी तरह होता। सेकंड पैराग्राफ समझे सबको, एवरीवन? ओके। When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from school, तो पोएट जो है जो 4 बजे स्कूल के बाद घर पे आते हैं, I can see through the gate that house the gardener digging the ground। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑक्यूपेशन किसका था? फर्स्ट ऑक्यूपेशन था हॉकर का। ओके, I'll just mark over here। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑक्यूपेशन था हॉकर का, तो हॉकर हो गया। उसके बाद आया सेकंड ऑक्यूपेशन गार्डनर। नाउ हु इज अ गार्डनर? टेल मी, हु इज अ गार्डनर?
जो गार्डन में पौधे की रक्षा करते हैं।
बराबर, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। जो पौधे की रक्षा करते हैं, जो उनको पानी देता है, उनको मतलब अगर नए प्लांट्स डालने के तो नए प्लांट्स डालने का, जो प्लांट्स मर चुके हैं उनको निकालने का, वो सब काम गार्डनर करता है। ओके, तो पोएट बोल रहा है जब मैं स्कूल से घर पे आ रहा था तो मैंने अपने गेट से देखा कि मेरे गार्डन में जो गार्डनर था वो ग्राउंड को डिग कर रहा था, मतलब जमीन को खोद रहा था। He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task. Okay, if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet, I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging। तो अभी पोएट घर पे आ गए तो उसने बोला कि अभी मेरे को हॉकर नहीं बनने का, अभी मेरे को गार्डनर बनने का। ठीक है, क्यों गार्डनर बनने का? क्योंकि देख, जो गार्डनर है उसका जो स्पेड रहता है, स्पेड मतलब ये जो टूल है ना इधर, इसको स्पेड बोलता है, मतलब जिससे खोदता रहता है। तो बोलते हैं कि वो कभी भी किधर भी खोद सकता है, और उसको कोई चिल्लाते नहीं। उसका कपड़ा कितना भी गंदा हो गया, वो बारिश में कितना भी भीग गया, उसको कोई चिल्लाने को नहीं है। ठीक है, अगर हम लोग स्कूल से अपना कपड़ा गंदा करके आते तो कितना चिल्ला देता अपनी मम्मी हम लोग पे। ठीक है, पर गार्डनर को चिल्लाने वाला है क्या? नहीं, गार्डनर कभी भी कुछ भी कर सकता है, उसको चिल्लाने वाला कोई नहीं है। तो जो राइटर है बोलते हैं कि मुझे भी गार्डनर जैसा बनने का है, ताकि मैं भी कभी जाके किधर भी खोद सकूं और मेरे को चिल्लाने के लिए कोई नहीं रहेगा। ठीक है, समझा? इधर तक समझा? हैज एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड सेकंड पैराग्राफ? एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Third paragraph, sorry। Okay, just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sent me to bed। तो अभी क्या हो गया? अभी रात हो गया। अभी रात होने के बाद हम लोग रात होने का ऑब्वियसली हम लोग मम्मी पापा क्या बोलेगा? सो जाओ। ठीक है, सबके मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं, सब कोई किसी मम्मी पापा ऐसा बोलते हैं रात हो गया चलो जाके खेलो बाहर, घूम के आओ। रात को ऐसा बोलते हैं कोई नहीं, सब लोग बोलते हैं जाके सो जाओ। तो ये पोएट के भी जो मम्मी पापा थे उन्होंने बोला कि रात को सो जाओ। तो अभी तक पोयम में जो पोएट है उनको दो चीज बनने का था। पहला क्या था? हॉकर। दूसरा कौन था? गार्डनर। ठीक है, तो नीचे I see through my open window the watchman walking up and down। The lane is dark and lonely and the street lamp stand like a giant with one red eye in its head। The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side and never once go to bed in his life। I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern। तो अभी तीसरा करियर कौन सा आ गया? वॉचमैन का। ठीक है, अभी जो राइटर है, जो पोएट है, वो बोलता है कि मुझे वॉचमैन बनने के। क्यों वॉचमैन बनने के? देख, क्योंकि जब वो सो रहा था ना, रात को जब वो सो रहा था, तभी उसने अपनी खिड़की से नीचे देखा, जो उसका वॉचमैन था वो तो मस्त घूम रहा था नीचे। वो तो मस्त घूम रहा था। ऐसा रात को वॉचमैन चलता ही रहता है ना, ऐसा नहीं कि वॉचमैन को सोने का, वॉचमैन का काम ही है कि वो जगह रहता है। तो जो पोएट है वो तो बोलता है कि मेरे को वॉचमैन जैसा बनने का। उसको क्यों वॉचमैन जैसा बनने का? क्योंकि उसको भी रात को इतना लेट उसको घूमने का है, ताकि वो भी रात को देख सके कैसा उसको एंजॉयमेंट होता है। उसको बार बार सोने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ता। वॉचमैन कभी सोता है क्या? कल्याण मतलब इंडिया में ज्यादा सोते ही रहते वॉचमैन रात को, और वॉचमैन का काम ही रहता है उठ के वो लोग का रक्षा करना। तो जो राइटर है वो बोल रहा है कि मुझे वॉचमैन जैसा ही बनने का। ठीक है, I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern। तो chasing the shadows मतलब वॉचमैन का क्या गोल क्या रहता है? कि वो जैसे रात से सुबह हो गया, सुबह वो अपने घर पे आके सो सकता है। तो जो राइटर है, पोएट है, वो भी बोलता है कि काश मैं भी वॉचमैन जैसा होता, मैं सो जाता और सुबह उठ के मैं वापस अपने घर चल जाता। ठीक है, हैज एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड द पोएम समझा सबको? ओके, तो नाउ बिफोर वी गो अहेड, टेल मी, जो writer है, okay, the poet of this poem is Rabindranath Tagore। Everyone knows who is Rabindranath Tagore, I don't need to tell you कौन है, they all know। Okay, so first what is the first career that is spoken about?
हॉकर।
Hawker.
Who is a hawker? Hawker कौन रहता है?
Bangle seller.
Bangles.
बराबर. Okay. Now just tell me हॉकर को पोएट ने दिन के कौन से टाइम पे देखा था? सुबह देखा था, शाम को देखा था, रात को देखा था?
Subeh.
Morning. Okay. Morning when he was going to school. Okay. Handwriting समझ लेंगे. ठीक है. Next, what is the second career which is shown in the poem?
Gardener.
Gardener.
Garden. Okay. In what time of the day does the poet see the gardener?
Noon. 4 p.m.
Noon. That is evening. Okay. All can say noon or evening. Okay. What is the third career? Third and the last?
Watchman.
Watchman.
And what time does the poet see the watchman in the?
Night.
Night.
Okay. So I'll understood. So you can write these 3 careers and the time in which the writer sees it in your notebook. Okay. Your schools have started. Schools चालू हुआ तुम लोग का?
Yes, sir.
What are your school timing?
From today.
Okay. What are your school timing?
Sir,
my
my school
timing
timings are, my school time.
एक सेकंड एक बोलो. हाँ ऋषिकेश बोल.
4 p.m. to 5:45 p.m.
1.5 hour. 1.5 hour में पूरा पोर्शन खत्म करते हो लोग. अच्छा. Okay. Very good. Okay. Shruti, what is your school timing?
Sir, only on Wednesday till 11:40 and daily 10:40 and 9:40.
मतलब from what time does it start? 8 o'clock? 8 to 10?
8 o'clock.
Okay. And Sanvi, what is your school timings?
Sir, it starts at 10:30 and it ends at 12 o'clock.
तो मतलब 2 घंटा ही रहेगा सबको, not more than 2 hours, ना?
Yes, sir. Only 2 lectures are there.
So that's why I'm saying you all better pay attention because school में ना, see, I'll tell you all one thing now. School वाले लोग वो लोग literally portion भगाएंगे. They'll start running with the portion. Okay. So you all don't worry. अगर school आगे भी निकल गया, we'll go on our own length and we have a good speed. ठीक है. We have English का 1 unit खत्म हो गया, history का 2 chapter खत्म हो गया, geography also. So we are going on a good speed. Okay. Everyone is done writing. Alina, you are there in the lecture? Hello, Alina.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Alina, what is your school timings?
Sir, it's 7 to 11.
Okay. So for you all don't have any issues with the lecture timing, no? That's good. Okay, everyone done writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's just see the meanings of the chapter. First is gong. Now, what is gong? I showed you all the photo of the gong. Gong is a flat metal bell that is rung to draw the attention of people. Okay. Next, take someone to task. Now, what? Take someone to task. Now, let's see the sentence which is used. Nobody takes him to task. Okay. Basically, जब the poet says when the gardener gets his clothes dirty, okay, or when he gets wet, nobody takes him to task. That is, nobody scolds him. मतलब उसको कोई चिल्लाता नहीं है कि तूने अपना कपड़ा क्यों गंदा है. Okay. Next we go. The lamp like a giant with one red eye. Okay, now the giant with one red eye is a what do you say, is a character from a story. Okay, the story's name is Homer's Odyssey. Okay, so उसमें एक monster रहता था जिसका एक आंख रहता था. So they are comparing that. Okay, and chasing the shadows. What is the meaning of chasing the shadows? To following an imaginary goal. Okay, now let's just take the question and answer. Okay. What does the hawker advertise aloud? What does the hawker advertise aloud? क्या चिल्लाता है hawker in the poem?
Bangle, crystal bangles.
Absolutely. The hawker advertise aloud banger crystal bangles. Okay. Who is scolded if he gets dirty?
The poet.
Absolutely. Very good. This is a trick question. So please read the question. The poet gets scolded when his clothes get dirty. Okay. The third question. What accompanies the watchman?
The
shadow.
lantern.
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 Yeah, you can say the lantern as well as the shadow. Okay, because the lantern and the shadow are by the watchman side the whole night. That's why what accompanies the watchman is lantern and his shadow. Okay. Okay. Now we go to the workshop. Which of the following words, phrases match the meaning of the underlined one? Okay. So these are 6 words: deserted, dirty is the clothing, following imaginary goals, exposed to it, no particular route, and scold and cry. Okay. So as I'm dictating, you all can write in your textbook also. Okay. Nobody takes him to task. Which answer will come over here?
Scold and correct.
Very good. Okay. Nobody takes him to task. That is, nobody scolds and corrects him. Dash if he gets baked in the sun. What is the baked in the sun is what?
Deserted.
Yes.
No.
Exposed to
Baked
heat.
in the sun.
to heat.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Exposed to heat. Okay. Chasing the shadows with my lantern.
Following.
What is chasing
following
shadows?
goals.
Following
No.
the imaginary
Absolutely.
Following the goal.
Very good. Very good. Following imaginary goals. The lane is dark and lonely. This will come as
No particular route.
no particular route.
Deserted.
Yeah, this will come as deserted, because no particular route will come last when this will come as deserted. Because dark and lonely means what? Dark and lonely means अगर तुम लोग रास्ते पे चल रहे, ठीक है, और सामने रास्ता एकदम अंधेरा रहेगा और तुम लोग अकेले, तुम लोग चले क्या रात को 12 बजे उधर? नहीं, बना ना, मैं तो वापस भाग जाएगा घर पे. That's why it's desert. Okay. He soils his clothes with dust. He
That is the clothing.
dirt is the clothing. And the last one, there is no road he must take. There is
No
no
particular.
No particular.
Very good. Have you all understood till here? Everyone, have you all understood this till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone has written this. सबका हो गया लिख के ये?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read the poem and fill in the table. Okay. Time of the day, location, poet's activity, hawker's activity, garden. Okay. So now the time of the day is morning. In the morning, where is the poet? He is
Lane.
In the school.
he is going to school. Rain who said? Rain who said? In the morning, the poet when the
School, sir.
poem is starting. Yes. Lane. Okay. Lane. Okay. So see, the location is lane, but where the poet is going, the poet is going towards the school. So you all can write in the lane going towards the school as the location. Okay, write it down. Once you are done, let me know. So the morning, time of the day is morning. Location is in the lane going towards the school. What is the in the lane? What is the poet's activity? He is. Poet क्या कर रहा है?
He's hearing
Going to
the
school.
hawker crying.
बराबर. You're hearing the hawker crying, or he is walking towards the school. Both are poet's activity. Both will come answer. What are the hawker's activity?
Shouting, bangle, crystal
Stamping
bangle.
bangles, crystal bangles.
Okay. Okay. Now before we go ahead, you all tell me, morning के time पे gardener और watchman का activity दिया है क्या?
No.
No. So the dash आएगा. Okay. So morning का time is only hawker, afternoon is gardener, and night is watchman. So once you are done writing the morning part, let me know. We'll go to the afternoon part.
Over, sir.
Okay, this is for 2 minutes. Over? Okay. Next is afternoon. Now in afternoon, where is the poet? 4 p.m. Where is the poet going back?
Home.
Home. Okay. The location is home. What is the poet's activity? The poet is walking back. Okay, the poet is walking back towards his home. Okay. What is the gardener's activity? Gardener क्या कर रहा है तभी?
Digging the
Gardening.
ground.
Digging the ground.
Digging the ground. Gardening the ground or digging the ground. Okay, very good. Right. Okay. The last one is night. Okay. In the night, where is the poet? रात को किधर रहता है poet?
Sleeping, sleeping.
Sleeping. Okay. No. Wait. That is sleeping will be poet's activity. Where will be poet's location?
In the room, in his room.
In the room. Absolutely. In his room or in his house or on his bed. Okay. That will be location. Poet's activity will be sleeping or looking out of the window. Either one you all can put. And what is the watchman's activity?
Roaming. Roaming in
Roaming or chasing a shadow. And any one of them. Okay, you're right. Let me know once you're done.
Over, sir.
Over. Okay. Very good. Next, think and answer in your own words. What could be the age of the speaker in the poem? The poet का तुम लोग के हिसाब से what would be the poet's age in the poem?
12.
8 to 10. 8 to 12. 8 to 10. Now, if you break it down, why? Okay. First, you understand the poet in the school. Why? Because सुबह हम लोग को मालूम पड़ता है poet किधर जा रहा है, school को जा रहा है. Okay. Second, द पोएट का स्कूल कितने बजे खत्म होता है? 4 बजे. अभी हम लोग का प्राइमरी स्कूल ही 4 बजे खत्म होता है. सेकेंडरी स्कूल सुबह ही खत्म हो जाता है. ओके, सो वी कैन से इज इन प्राइमरी. सो वी कैन टेल फ्रॉम 8 to 10 years old the poet will. Okay, what is the difference between a hawker and a shopkeeper? Very nice question. Who wants to attempt this? Hawker और shopkeeper में क्या difference है? Yes sir. Wait, one second. You all both can answer. Yes. Go ahead.
A hawker sells things on the street, and a
Yes.
shopkeeper sells in a particular place. A hawker
Very
roams around
Very
selling.
good. Okay. Shruti, also same answer. You have anything to add to this?
The hawker keeps shouting and keeps telling people that what is this product and is it roaming. He doesn't stand in one place.
Barabar. So in a shopkeeper, obviously that with the name only it says shop. मतलब shop. So people go to him, and in a case of hawker goes to people. Okay. Shopkeeper अपना पूरा दुकान अपने सर पे उठा के घूम सकता है क्या? नहीं. Okay, but the hawker can take एक वो क्या बोलते हो that bucket नहीं, basket में वो सब सामान लेके वो जाके घूम सकता है. Okay, very good. How do parents react when the children soil their clothes? Soil means get their clothes dirty in dust and heat.
They get annoyed and angry.
They get annoyed and angry. Very good. Okay. Why is the street light compared to one red-eyed giant? The street light है watchman. Why is it compared to one giant? Because
it's bright and big.
Very good. Because it's bright and big and it रात को आता है. So we say ना जो monsters लोग रात को आते हैं. Okay. Okay. Next question. What exactly does the speaker in the poem crave for? What does the poet in the poem, the poet want in the poem? Yes, Anvi, go ahead.
Sir, he craves freedom.
Absolutely correct. He craves freedom because in the case of the hawker, he wants to roam wherever he can and go at home whenever he wants to. In the case of the gardener, he wants to get his clothes dirty and no one to shout at him. And in the case of watchman, he wants to stay out as late as possible. Very good. Okay. Does the poet really wish to become a hawker, gardener, watchman? Justify your response. No, this is a question. Obviously, because हम लोग जैसे बड़े हो गए, obviously हम लोग को hawker, gardener, watchman तो नहीं बनने का है. बोलो हम लोग पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे. But in the poem, when the poet says, does he really want to become? तुम लोग क्या लगता है उसको सच्ची में बनने क्या है कि वो ऐसे ही बोल रहा है? और अगर तुम लोग, if you are telling yes or no, you have to justify your answer. Okay, you can try. Go ahead.
Sir, he does not want to become like them, but he just wants some freedom in his life. He wants to live as he likes.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now next question number 4. Say why the speaker of the poem wishes to be. So why does the poet wants to be a hawker?
So we can roam freely wherever he wants to go.
Absolutely. He doesn't have any particular time to return home. He can just go from one place to another, and he can speak to different people. Very good. Okay. Why does the poet wants to be a gardener?
Because he can make his clothes dirty and no one will shout at him.
Very good. Okay. Why does the poet want to be a watchman? Wait, Alina, can you answer this? Alina, can you answer why does the poet wants to be a watchman? You're on mute, Alina. You're on mute. No, still on mute. I think it's not getting unmuted only. Okay, Rishikesh, you want to try?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, because he want to roam and he want to follow his shadows.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Okay. Now we go pick out the line that contain alliteration, simile, figure of speech. So what is alliteration? We have done figures of speech. What is alliteration?
Same sound.
Same
repeated.
letter.
Letter.
Okay, like this, for example, the first two letters are repeated. Okay, so let's just find. Okay, here is the poem. Can you all find? Okay, I'll also search. You all also search. The first two letters should be same for two or more than two words. Okay. Okay, I found one. Okay, we all have to say one sentence. Okay, so I'll go first. I found this. Watchman walking up and down. The letters W, A and W, A are repeated. Okay, now you all have to tell me one. We are searching for alliteration first. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Roshikesh, go ahead. Tell me where you found.
Sir, in the last of a poem, I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night. W
Okay.
is repeated.
W is repeated. Also, W A is repeated. Watchman and walking. Very good.
So I
Okay.
found one too also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The lane is
Where you found?
dark. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye and its
Okay.
head in its head.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay. L A and A is repeated.
L. Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. L A and L A is repeated. Very good. Okay. Shruti and Alina, you all can tell me one. See, there is here another. I can see through the gate of the house as the gardener is digging the ground. G A and G A are repeated. Okay. So everyone has understood what is alliteration or understood how to find out. Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After alliteration, what is the other one which we have to find? It's simile. Now, what is simile?
Simile is used to compare two things.
Very good. Okay, so find one example of simile and let me know.
Sir, I can say.
Yes.
And this street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head.
Very good. The street lamp stands like a giant here Here the comparison is made between a street lamp and a giant with one red eye. Very good. Okay. Any other guys, if you all find, let me know. Only one? Is there only one? No one else found anything?
Sir, I have a doubt in this, but can you check?
Yes, tell me.
Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me back to bed.
Send me to bed. Yes.
As.
Just as it's get dark. No, but see, in similarly, Sanvi, there has to be a comparison between two things. Okay. Now, see, in the first sentence, the comparison with the line, street lamp stands like a giant. Okay. So the comparison was made between the street lamp and a giant. So there has to be comparison between two things. Okay. In this sentence, there is only as, there is no comparison. So there should be a comparison between two things. Yes, Salina, your voice is very soft.
Chasing the shadow.
Chasing the shadow. Wait, chasing the shadow. But with what are you comparing chasing the shadow with? You have to compare it with something, no? That the word like and as should come. You have to compare it with something. I think I also think there is one only, I think.
So there's only one. I can't find any.
Yes. I also cannot find. So there's only one. Okay. What's the next thing we have to find? Alliteration.
Repetition.
Okay. What is repetition? Where words are repeated. Okay. So can
Words
someone
are-
tell me where is repetition?
Sir, bangles, crystal bangles. Bangles are
Very
repeated.
good. Very good. Bangles, crystal bangles are repeated. Where else?
So only one.
Yeah, I was thinking only one. You can see here also. I wish I was a watchman. I and I was repeated. But that I is not a word. I just a letter for that. But I think this one only is there. Bangles, calling bangles, crystal bangles. Okay. Next, what is the next one? After onomatopoeia. What's onomatopoeia?
Making the while
Make
pronouncing
sound.
the word,
Making the
you
sound.
make the sound.
Very good. Okay. So your what? Can you all tell me?
Gong.
Gong. Very good. Gong. What else? This also one. Yeah, and this also one only. There's only one, that's gong.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you all understood figures of speech? Is this clear? This part clear for everyone?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. What vocation and profession business would you like to take up in the future? Prepare a fact file for the same of the following point. Okay. So your basically you have to say which occupation you all want to take up in the future. Okay. Name the vocation, profession, business. So what would you all require? What would you all want to become? For example, if you all want to be a photographer, so you all can write a photographer. Doctor, so doctor. Vet, then a vet. So it depends upon you all what you want to write. Now, what is the education qualification required? If you all want to be a doctor, what qualification are